Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a mouth-watering journey across the pond to explore the iconic American dish fish and chips. But that's not all. We'll uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this crispy, flaky delight. So, grab your tartar sauce and let's dive in. The British connection. Fish and chips may seem quintessentially American, but it actually has British origins. It was brought to the United States by English and Scottish immigrants in the 19th century. So, it's a delicious slice of transatlantic culinary history. The fish varieties. While cod is the classic choice, fish and chips come in various fish varieties. You can find this dish made with haddock, pollock, or even local catches like catfish, depending on the region. The perfect batter. The secret to the perfect fish and chips lies in the batter. It's typically made with flour, sparkling water or beer, and sometimes a pinch of baking powder, creating that signature crispy texture. The double fry technique. Here's a secret technique: the double fry. The fish is often dipped in batter and fried twice. The first fry cooks the fish through, and the second fry crisps up the exterior, ensuring a heavenly crunch. The chip versus fry debate. Depending on where you are in the United States, chips and fries may mean the same thing or be different. In some regions, chips refer to thick-cut potato wedges, while fries are thin and crispy. The perfect sidekick: mushy peas. The classic sidekick to fish and chips in the UK is mushy peas. It's a delightful pairing, with the creamy peas complementing the crispy fish. The vinegar tradition. Vinegar is often drizzled over fish and chips, especially in the UK. It adds a tangy kick that balances the richness of the dish. National Fish and Chips Day. Did you know that May 29th is celebrated as National Fish and Chips Day in the United States? It's the perfect excuse to indulge in this delectable dish. Fish and chips around the world. Fish and chips have made their mark worldwide. You can find variations in countries like Australia, Canada, and New Zealand, each with its own twist on this classic. The fish and chips conveyor belt. Fish and chips even have their place in the fast food world. Some American fast food chains offer their versions, making it accessible and convenient for all. Fish and chips in the Midwest. While fish and chips are commonly associated with coastal regions, you'll find delicious renditions even in landlocked states like the Midwest. Many restaurants in the heartland serve up this maritime favorite. The fish batter variations. The type of batter used can vary widely. Some prefer a beer batter for its light and airy texture, while others opt for a thicker, more substantial coating. It's all about personal taste. Fish and chips in historic locations. Some American eateries that serve fish and chips are housed in historic buildings. Dining on this classic dish often feels like stepping back in time. Fish and chips in theme parks. Theme parks across the United States feature fish and chips as a classic and hearty meal option. It's a favorite choice for those seeking a satisfying meal while enjoying the attractions. The fish and chips food truck trend. Food trucks have embraced the fish and chips trend, offering this delightful dish on the go. It's a testament to its popularity and adaptability. Fish and chips festivals. Fish and chips festivals are a thing. In various American cities, these events celebrate the beloved dish with competitions, live music, and, of course, lots of fish and chips to enjoy. The fish and chips healthier options. For those looking for healthier alternatives, many restaurants offer grilled fish and baked chips options. It's a guilt-free way to enjoy the flavors of fish and chips. Fish and chips as a cultural experience. In some regions, enjoying fish and chips is not just about the food, it's a cultural experience. You can immerse yourself in the coastal ambiance and maritime history while dining. Fish and chips and sustainability. Sustainability is a growing concern, and many restaurants now source their fish responsibly to support healthy oceans. It's a step towards ensuring that future generations can savor this classic. The versatility of fish and chips. The versatility of fish and chips extends to plating and presentation. Some restaurants go beyond the traditional newspaper-wrapped style, presenting this dish in elegant and creative ways. There you have it, an extensive look into American fish and chips and its ever-evolving presence in our culinary landscape. If you found these facts as delightful as I did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more culinary discoveries, and remember, every bite of fish and chips is a journey through tradition, flavor, and the joy of good food. Until next time, keep savoring those crispy, flaky bites.